Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. We are going to make project number 2 using the paper pumpkin kit, and this is the one we're making. Project 2 and project 3 are on the same page, so you just need to be careful when you're doing your card that you have it the right way around and you're doing the right card. So this is the card base I need. Love that it's double like front and back, so you know that I'm going to be cutting these up and making projects with them. So again, we're going to use our acrylic block as our bone folder to make that card lay flat, and it goes this way with the light at the bottom. I've got my banner and I've got my background and I've got my flower. So I'm going to go ahead and do my stamping. I've got the 1,000 good luck wishes. And take my ink spot, ink that up. Okay, and then just stamp it away. If you don't have really good coverage, you can always clean. Just take your whatever method you use to clean your stamps and clean it off. So I'm just going to do that. I'm going to give this a little huff just to make sure it's moist. And then this goes right down like this. And I'm going to just hold it a second and then lift up. So we've got our 1,000 good luck wishes. So these are my elements for the card. I need to take this piece and put my tear and tape on it. It's one of those hiding in plain sights. I got it out and laid it out so that I wouldn't have to look for it, and then I still had to look for it. The nice thing about this tape is it's super strong, but it does literally just tear. You don't need scissors to cut it. You can just tear it apart. So I need that, and I need to put dimensionals on the back of this banner. 2 at the top, 2 at the bottom. Like this. Okay, and then my dandelion, I need to put dimensionals 2 on the flower, like that. And then 1 down in the body of the leaves, like that. Okay? So we'll peel the tear and tape off, put the backing in my little tray for catching my backs here. There we go. And now we lay this down, same way we'd line anything up, kind of equidistant top and bottom, side to side, and then do this. Then we take this and we peel our backings off, and we place this down right in the middle so we can still see it covers up one of those little floating dandelions. So we put that like that, and then we put this across the bottom. So let's just take these off like this. And this goes across the bottom, a little bit of space at the bottom, making sure it's straight. Give it a nudge if it's not. There we go. And now I take my embellishments here. I need a large one there and a large one down here. And then I need 3 little ones. Put a little one here. And another little one here. And where does the 3rd little one go? Oh, right over here. Sometimes it's a bit of a mystery where the pieces go. And I put one there like that. So that is project number 2 in the December 2023 paper pumpkin kit. So stay tuned for project number So this is project number 2. Stay tuned for project number 3 and some alternate ideas.